So 41% revenue growth, a lot better than expected. QCT up 52%, and it's not just smartphones. Let's start there, okay? Because Samsung, a big part of this, you had a much bigger share of one of their flagship phones than you did a year ago.
Look, it's a great story overall for Qualcomm the quarter. You know, handsets are business going up. Samsung is the big driver of that. Samsung has had their own chip for a number of years, and the market they balance the volume between their own chip and Qualcomm. Galaxy S21, flagship last year, Qualcomm to 40%. We have markets such as the United States, China, Korea, and then they made a decision on the Galaxy S22 to move the majority of it towards Qualcomm. We're about in 75% plus of Samsung devices, and that not only shows that Qualcomm can compete with companies that design their own chip by building a better product, but also shows that it's an incredible growth opportunity for Qualcomm.
So that's kind of a spoken subtweet. When you say that, I hear Apple, right? Because they're trying to do their own modem chip. That's one of the things that Qualcomm is known for doing very well. Are you, in essence, saying, yeah, they can work on that, but we plan to have a product so good they can't help but use it?
Well, that's a different conversation than Samsung. Our mobile strategy today is different. Our mobile strategy today is really focused on building the Snapdragon processor, which is becoming really synonymous with flagship on the Android ecosystem. And it's not just about the modem. It's about the modem, the CPU, the GPU, the artificial intelligence processor. And that's actually what's driving a lot of content increase for the company. If you look at the QCT revenues, even generation after generation after the 5G, migration, occur for certain markets and devices, we're increasing content because of the processor. And I think for that, Samsung's a great trade. Instead of selling a modem to Apple, to sell the whole Snapdragon platform, it has massive positive impact on revenue and earnings. As far as Apple, when we went to the New York Analyst Day, we kind of sized that Apple are doing their modem, and we had made projections that, in 2023, we're assuming less than 20%. If they need their modem, they know where to find us.
Yes, they're not too far away from San Diego. So investors are trying to understand the broader market and broader economy right now, but you're also trying to get investors to understand that this is a different Qualcomm than they're used to. So I want to spend a little bit more time on Qualcomm specifically in the quarter that you just had. You're projecting that your addressable market is going to be up by 7x. Because of the areas that you're pushing into. Your IoT business, Internet of Things, was up 61% in the quarter. That includes things like industrial tablets, and there's a lot of stuff in there. What was mainly driving that?
Okay, so our IoT business is growing across all streams. The consumer part, the edge networking part, and the industrial part. And here's what's really driving that growth. And that's how Qualcomm is changing. Digital transformation is happening everywhere. And I think it got accelerated the past couple of years from the pandemic. You see companies, for example, the first thing they did, they sent their employees home, but then they needed to connect their assets. They needed to connect to their machines. They needed to have their machines to become smart and processing. So that's what we see, for example, happen on the industrial side. Smart handhelds for retail, warehousing, warehouse automation, manufacturing sites, robotics, and that's a very diverse customer base. We have 13,000 customers. People that look at Qualcomm as a handset company, we could count our customers in one hand. But if we look at what's happening in industrial, for example, it's 13,000 customers buying our processors and modems across a multitude of devices. On the edge networking, we have an interesting phenomenon which is here to stay. The home is becoming an enterprise. As people have this hybrid work environment, what's really happening is you need an enterprise-grade broadband system in your home. And that's driving Qualcomm Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, smart routers. Mm-hmm. That is a big growth. And then when you look at a consumer, we have a lot of different devices. tablets are premium tablets becoming collaboration tools. You see PCs coming up with Qualcomm Snapdragon. That's a big opportunity there. And of course, the metaverse. It is a big business for us, connecting physical and digital spaces.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.